Hi everybody, Charlie with the Recon Shop here, and behind me I have this Chevy Silverado with a pretty nasty dent on the driver's side cab corner. This is a very difficult area to repair. We would normally have to use the glue pulling process, but this panel had recently been repainted, so glue pulling out of the question. We are going to take some interior panels apart on the inside and try and get our tools in back there to work this out using the traditional PDR method. Thank goodness we're able to get a tool on there, because I don't think we would be able to repair this without it. Well, the dent's on the cab corner of this 2019 Chevy Silverado Texas Edition. It came out great using Paintless Dent Repair, which really helps a lot because they recently had this repainted. So they would have ended up having to paint the entire rail all over again. I'm Charlie here at the Recon Shop. You can get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. Thanks for watching.